Let's explore the talent acquisition funnel dashboard from Tableau Public. The most interesting thing that I can see on this dashboard is this particular chart for recruitment funnel, which shows funnel-like structure from bigger donut to smaller one. Let's see how we can achieve the similar funnel-like structure for our use cases. I have downloaded the workbook from Tableau Public to deep dive. The first thing that I have noticed is there is a floating chart to showcase the percent difference which can be removed directly since it was placed as floating directly. There are two more sheets on top of each other to achieve this donut and funnel like shape. Let's pull the first sheet aside. As you can see, the funnel shape is being visualized differently, and all three charts are creating an illusion of showcasing single chart. Let's go inside the donut chart first. As you can see, there are two placeholder. One is for the pie chart, one is for the circle. Both of them are enabled for the dual axis to create that overlapping effect. For pie chart, text labels are selected as top to get the vertical alignment on top of each donut. Similarly, the circle mark is aligned for the center label to showcase the actual percentages. Now let's take a look at the funnel chart itself. This chart is a combination of two area chart marks which are placed on top of one another on a same axis. It is also enabled with the dual axis to create the overlapping effect. Both of the area charts are being calculated with the help of candidate count against the stage number. The area chart of the second mark is being calculated as negative of the candidate count so that we will have the exact opposite replica of the upper area chart. If I remove that negative mark, you can see how it would look. It looks like a half funnel, but in fact it is just an area chart creating same image which are creating opposite image using positive and negative axis and with the help of dual axis. We can achieve many chart types by placing one on top of each other. This should be enough to get you started with the funnel charts. Thank you.